Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talkin' Bullion. Well, I just received something in the mail, something I'm really excited about. I know what it is, but I don't know exactly what it is. So I picked up one of those random year BU coins. So I'm really excited to open it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, hey there, I just want to break into this video for a minute to let you know this video actually has 3 parts to it. Because what happened is I did not receive the right coin that I ordered. So I reached out and asked the company to replace it. And so this video goes through me opening it up, me being a little surprised at what was in there, and then a little update on what indeed I did order. And then at the end of it, I got the final solution, or what happened when I talked to the company and asked for a return. So I just wanted to break and let you know this video is going to be a little bit longer than normal. So go ahead and watch it and see it through to the end and see what happens. Thanks. Okay, so here we go. Got the old scissors out. The last few packages I've been playing what's in the box with them, so I haven't done an unboxing with them. So I'm excited to unbox this thing. So let me go ahead and see if there's a receipt in there, which there probably is. I'll get that out later. So here's what I got. And let's go ahead and take a look. Tear this thing open. I ordered multiple items. It's packaged really well. Let me see if I can tear this open. I'm going to have to cut it. Oh, my scissors are pretty bad shape, boy. Alright, here we go. Got that. Got that. And ooh, got that. We'll take a look at that last. Alright. So the first thing I picked up was a Britannia. It's a 2016. You can see it right there. And I wanted to get it because it was on sale. And it is government issued bullion. So 2 pounds. It is a coin as well. You can see there, very, very nice. That matting around the queen's head, that looks really cool. It gives it a nice little touch. And looks like it's got something on the side there. A little symbol. I hadn't noticed that before. And then the old classic Britannia. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Love that. It's nice. I don't have a lot. I've got a couple of them, but not very many. But when I was on sale, I figured I'd get one, you know. And these are really cool too. I really like these a lot. These are 1/4 ounce, so I got a total of 1 ounce of the Noah's Ark. Yeah, these are cool. I don't have anything like this. Let me see if I can get one under the coin cam here. Let me see if I can get a different filter on there. Get some focus on there. Well, these really shiny ones are really hard. So yeah, that's how it's showing up there. That's pretty shiny, huh? So it's got the value of 100. 100. What do they call them on here? It's too small to see. And then we also have. Let me go ahead and flip it over. It's pretty cool image on the other side. The Ark with the dove carrying an olive branch. So that's pretty cool, huh? Push it down a little bit, get a better shot of it. Yeah, look at that. I mean, isn't that a beautiful coin? There's the dove with the olive branch, the Noah's Ark, the water, sun shining in the background, mountains. Wow, that's just a beautiful coin. So I picked up 4 1/4 ounces to make 1 ounce. And if we flip it back on the back here, you can see Right over there on the right hand side, you can see it says a quarter ounce, 0.999. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I picked up 4 of those, which I usually don't buy, quarter ounce coins because of the premium. But these were a decent price, I felt, and they got the cool factor to go along with them. And who knows, maybe they'll show up in a giveaway one of these days, huh? I wonder. All right, so we got those, we got this, and finally, we got this. A Canadian quarter ounce piece of gold. Awesome. See the queen on one side. Let's see what the year is. 2015. Huh. Is that a milk spot? No, can't be. Gold doesn't milk spot. Wonder what that is. To check it out before I open it up. Can't tell. Anyway, let's look at the back side. It's the polar bears. You can see it's fine gold. 1/4 ounce. Let's put it under the coin cam. Take a quick look at it. Very nice. Fine gold, 1/4 ounce, 9999. Very cool. Let's flip over the other side here so we can get a better look at what's going on the bottom there. I don't know, that could just be an air bubble because this is like shrink wrapped. Doesn't look like a milk spot really. Just looks like something there. But I'll take a closer look at it. But folks, we still got ourselves a 1/4 ounce of pure gold. Wow, is that cool or what? Well, it looks more like a milk spot from this angle, doesn't it? Okay, here's a quick update I'm throwing in here. So, as you can see on my invoice, it was supposed to be a gold maple leaf. Kind of surprised me when I saw the polar bears because I wouldn't have ordered that coin on purpose. So, I need to go back and look at my invoice and see what it was I ordered, because I almost always order the gold maple leaf if I'm going to order a piece of gold from a bullion dealer. You can clearly see here that it says random Royal Canadian Gold Maple Leaf 1/4 ounce coin, and they got the bin number, and I'm sure that's an internal thing for them. But this is not the maple leaf, and I don't want the polar bear. I want what I ordered. So I'll be contacting them, asking them what's going on. And again, this looks milk spotted too. I don't like the condition of this coin. I don't know what's up with that at the bottom there. But we'll see if they back their stuff up. I will tell you this came from SD Bullion. Very big bullion company. And I expect them to let me return it at their cost and to ship me out a new one. So let's see. I'll come back online later. I'll post another video and say either they backed it up, they shipped it out, or they didn't. Because as you guys know, I had a big problem with private metals making me pay for shipping back something that they sent me. So anyway, I trust SD Bullion will take care of me. And I'll get a hold of them and let them know. And I'll let you know what happened. Thanks. Well, hello everyone. I just received a package in the mail. This is what I received after I returned that gold coin to SD Bullion. And let me just tell you about the process here. So I was a little concerned when I looked up their website and I looked up their returns and exchanges, because it really looked like it favored them. They could, under normal circumstances, they would make you pay for the return. They also could replace it with something of equal value if they didn't have it in stock. But they did talk about being, number one in customer service, or top of the line in customer service. I don't remember the exact wording, but their customer service was mentioned. So I was a little concerned because, as most of you know, if you watch one of my early videos, Provident Metals really did me wrong. They sent me some really junk silver and then made me pay to ship it back to them, which I was really upset about. And to this day, Provident is not one of my go-to bullion companies. They really lost a customer over what would have cost them just a couple bucks. And it's unfortunate, because I know a lot of you out there like Provident and haven't had any issues, but they really did me wrong, and there's no reason for me to buy from them when I have so many other choices, like for example, SD Bullion. So SD Bullion's been getting some of my business, been buying some gold off of them. So I was really happy when I contacted them. I told them they sent me the wrong coin. That's all I said. I said, you sent me the polar bears and I ordered the maple leaf and I want to send this back and get the right coin. The next day, I got an email from them with the return shipping label. I printed it out, packaged it up, mailed it out to them the next day. They got it within a couple days because they're fairly close to me. And within just a few days, I got the new one in the mail. So the whole process went by pretty fast. And if you watched earlier in the video, you know the one they sent me, the polar bear one, had a big, well, it looked like a milk spot on it, on the front of the coin at the bottom. And that was very strange looking. Could have been an air bubble, but it looked like a milk spot, and I'm not really sure how that would be on gold. I did not mention that at all in my email to them because my complaint wasn't about that, although it would have been if they would have wanted me to keep it. My complaint was they sent me the polar bears when I wanted the maple leafs, and anybody who's watched my previous videos knows that I like the maple leafs. I do not collect any other series or any other kind. I either get the pre-1933 US coins or the 9999 Canadian maple leaves. So anyway, here it is. I got it in the mail today, and I want to open it up and I want to see what they did and what they sent me. I'm really hoping it's a beauty. I want to say good things about SD Bullion. So far, it's been a great experience with them, and let's just hope that what they returned back to me is adequate. So let's take a look. It's got a nice little tear option here, but it doesn't look like that's going to work out very well. Oh, there we go. Alright, let me do see an invoice in there, so let me get that out of there. Alright, so we got that out of there. And it does say a random gold maple leaf, so that's cool. And open up the package here. There it is. And bubble wrapped, very nice. Nice little package I can repurpose. And still trying to see the details on it. Oh, there's the front of it. Ooh, look at that, a 1983. And let's flip it over real quick. And it is a maple leaf. 1/4 ounce. Look at that, it's still in the original government packaging. I believe this is how it was shipped. And they just cut the squares off of there. And so let's take a look at that. I will bust it out of there and put it into a capsule. I don't usually leave them in the plastic here. They just stack nicer, easier to put away when they're in the capsule. And some smudge on it, but that's on the case. That's gone now. Let me see. Look at that. Let's put it under the coin cam and see. That's good. I'm going to leave it in the plastic for now. But all right. So there we go. Just look at that little white circular streak is part of the packaging. It's not part of the coin. It'd be pretty hard to get a scratch on a coin that's in the plastic. So let's take a look over here. Look at that beauty, huh? What an awesome coin. Can I focus it a little bit better? Yeah, look at that, huh? 0.9999, 4 nines, 1/4 ounce. Flip it back over. And we can see that it is indeed a coin because it is $10. It does have a dollar amount on it, denomination, so that makes it a coin. It's got the young Elizabeth there, Elizabeth II, and it's a 1983. So yeah, thank you SD Bullion. I appreciate you making up for it. I appreciate you not making me pay the shipping to go back. And that right there, folks, that little line there is on the outside. It's not on the coin. So everything worked out well. So, you know, I want to make sure I give credit where credit's due. They backed up their product. They sent me a replacement. They paid for the shipping. And I really appreciate that. I really appreciate it. I didn't have to hassle with it. I mean, obviously this coin was not cheap. Cost a lot of money. And even more obvious is I have other choices. I don't have to, go to SD Bullion. There's plenty of other bullion dealers out there that would be more than willing to take my money. So backing me up is really, really important to me and makes me a continued customer with SD Bullion. Pretty nice, huh? Very nice. So thank you, SD Bullion. Really appreciate it. I'm glad I'm able to come out here and let my subscribers know and other people who watch my videos that you took care of me. And I really appreciate it. And I'm sure they appreciate it as well, people who shop from you. And thank you again. And with that, I would just like to say, let's keep talking bullion.